Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great day today, and welcome back to my new video. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Pokemon Go failed to detect location 12 latest easily. Pokemon Go's recent 323.1 update has introduced a new challenge for virtual location users, causing widespread Pokemon Go failed to detect location 12. This update likely integrates an advanced virtual location monitoring interface similar to what we've seen in other games like Pokemon Go, rendering existing virtual location tools ineffective. But don't worry, you can bypass it easily. With iAnyGo, you can freely change GPS location to anywhere without jailbreak or root. Works with all location-based apps such as Pokemon Go Monster Hunter Now, WhatsApp, Facebook, and many more. iAnyGo now supports the original app, resolving Error 12 and location issues in LBS games like Pokemon Go and Monster Hunter Now. With iAnyGo Location Changer, you can fake GPS location on iPhone or Android with only one click. This enables you to jump to anywhere in games without actually walking. Select each mode based on your need. This is useful when your location-based game, like Pokemon Go, requires you to go outside, but you just want to stay at home. You can download iAnyGo on Windows and Mac. I prefer you can use it with Windows. Download and install iAnyGo. You can use Single Spot, Multi-Spot, Jump Teleport, Joystick, and many more. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. Make sure to trust the device if prompted. Visit the official iAnyGo website and download the latest version compatible with iOS 18. Follow the installation instructions to set it up on your computer. From the Windows user main interface, select the game mode option to spoof your location in Pokemon Go. You can change Pokemon Go location in the original app now. Then connect your iPhone to computer with Bluetooth as well. Follow the installation instructions to set it up on your computer. Users can now spoof their location in Pokemon Go without the fear of triggering Error 12, enhancing the overall gaming experience.